Order filled.
Good morning, everyone. Today is Tuesday, July 30th, 2024, and we're going down with QQQ. Inverted H, inverted H, inverted H, inverted H, 555 inverted H, inverted H.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $1 drop, ladies and gentlemen. What we're going to do is we're going to lock in half our gains because there hasn't been a retrace yet. So what we want to do is we want to move our stop accordingly, but based on the price dropping with speed and violence, this has legs to run. So we don't want to prematurely move our stop and take ourselves out early in the game. At this point, we're going to lock in our dollar gain. Right here is a $2 gain. As you can see, the price has dropped with speed and violence, so statistically, it should have enough momentum to get to a $2, if not beyond. How it gets there will be determined bar by bar. This might retrace, then drop down to the $2, or if it drops down to the $2, we might have about almost a 50-cent, 75-cent bounce, and then we might continue farther. So we're going to play it bar by bar.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $2 drop, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to keep our stop locked into that dollar move because we haven't had quite yet a retrace. So I want to see how strong the retrace is going to be. Then after the retrace, we'll move our stop accordingly. And this is the retrace that we've been waiting for. We impulse down, we're having a corrective wave up, and as long as it stays below the 21 moving average, it should come back down and at least revisit this 460, 450-ish area. So we're going to play it bar by bar, but once this price drops, then we'll continue to lock in a little bit more profits. But we have to see how strong this retrace is. Again, we're wanting the price to stay below the 21 moving average on our 1-minute chart. At this point, we're going to lock in a $1.50 gain and play it bar by bar. At this point, we have a C-type retrace forming, and I expect the price to at least come down to the 200, if not close the gap that it caused from the night before. So again, we're going to play it bar by bar, but if this explodes out of the C retrace, that's probably where it's going to fail and have a hard bounce back up. So we're going to play it bar by bar and see what happens. At this point, we're going to lock in a $2 gain. I want to see how it reacts off the 464 area because it's coming down to that 200 as well on our 5-minute chart. So we're not going to overstay our welcome, but we are definitely going to lock in that $2 drop as of right now.
Order filled.
And there's a $2.50 drop, ladies and gentlemen, all within 15 minutes of hard work today. So as always, never forget, be a pro.
Order filled.
Good morning, everyone. Today is Monday, July 30th, 2024, and we're going up with QQQ. H pattern, wide state, H pattern. H pattern, wide state, H pattern. H pattern, wide state, slingshot. This is a slightly advanced setup, but we're expecting speed and violence to get us to our dollar marker and beyond.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $1 move, ladies and gentlemen. Once the price gets above the 21 moving average on our 1-minute chart, we'll lock in that $1 move and play it bar by bar. At this point, if the price doesn't retrace here soon, it might run up to the 200 and fail. So we're going to play it bar by bar, but our target is the 200 moving average on our 1-minute chart.
Order filled.
And there's a $1.65 run up, ladies and gentlemen. As always, never forget, be a pro.